Okay, hi, so I'm Ben. I'm the director of RBT Removals Glasgow, and we are a removal company. We're based in East Kilbride, but we do cover Glasgow and Lanarkshire. We do domestic and commercial moves, and we also offer a packing and unpacking service. We are generally trying to take care with people's items, give them a stress-free move. We do that by using trained uniformed staff. We use new reliable vehicles that are well maintained. We also use innovative packing equipment such as things for your telly, your couch, mattress, all that type of stuff is protected in the van, because there's nothing worse than obviously you moving your life and all your possessions, coming out the van and it's all completely manky at the other end. So what we typically find, our main customer, I would say, is a family of four. They are buying their first big family home, maybe their second home. The first thing I would say if you're going to do that is phone with plenty of time, because I get phone calls daily saying, can you move us in a week's time? I've had phone calls where people have asked me, can you move me today? That's not going to happen. Any reputable moving company will probably be fully booked up to 4 weeks. We find our customers' main concern is not necessarily the price. Of course they want value, but it's they want trust and reliability. We regularly get someone phoning and saying, I've got a 3-bed house, can you give me a quote? I'm moving from Motherwell to East Kilbride. We can't do that, because every house is completely different. If you contact us in enough time and we check our calendar and we've got availability, we will then set up a free survey, which would be myself or Robert that would come out to your house. We'd get to meet you, meet your family, and basically see the move in its entirety and what you would require to make sure this move goes smooth. Removals isn't a cheap service, and it shouldn't be a cheap service, because if you think the amount of costs involved between selling your property, buying a new one, this is a critical part of that. So what you're looking for is good value, and that's what we think we bring. We do this day in, day out. We will get you out in time with the right amount of people, right amount of vans. That is why obviously you're paying a premium, because everything's going to be done correctly. So when we give you a quote, we break all this down to you so that you understand how the whole day is going to go. In worst case scenario, if your keys are delayed, we're not going to drop your stuff in the street and drive away. Maybe there was something wrong with paperwork or something wrong with part of the chain that's fell through. We then make it clear to you the process, what we would do, and it would involve storage, possibly overnight, possibly over the weekend, until this whole paperwork issue is resolved and you get access, and we're with you every step of the way.